Oh, it's so hot. It's my sister's house.
It was the scariest moment of my life. I was coming back from town and I got the call from my brother and my mom that there was a fire, not to come down our road, that they were going to have to escape down the back lease road to get out. I thought for sure like I wasn't going to have a house when we came back the next day, but I was amazed that it was still standing.
We've had a wind shift. It has picked up speed, moving south.
Fires, it takes a long time to get enough manpower and the stuff you need in place to start fighting. And the first 2 weeks was terrible.
This needs to stop. What these people are doing to the... So this pine straw is actually an issue right now. That's why I walk out my back door and look at these trees and I wonder how long is it gonna take for it to start growing back? How did this happen? How did we survive this? I don't have an answer other than we got somebody above us watching over us.
It's hard to fall asleep at night knowing that we're just not going to have a fire pop up and burn us out.
Oh, it's so hot. It's my sister's house. Let's see if it makes it or not.